I'm Giuditta Bassano from LUMSA University in Rome, and I work in Solaris as part of the LUMSA research unit, who is composed by Professor Caltagirone, Piero Polidoro, Angelo Tuminelli, and me. I am a semiotician, so my perspective is in-depth analysis of synthetic images and, in general, digital text and audiovisual objects, and that's what I do. The chapter is titled Semiotics of Synthetic Media, and it deals with a framework, it tries to build a framework which both analyzes the external side and the internal side of the construction of digital images. For the external side, we try to somehow build and test a general ANT model, which is based on actor-nectar theory, which was matched up to the colleague Andrew McIntyre. And for the internal side, we try to somehow describe how a digital image works from a semiotic perspective, which means that the digital image is layered and it makes sense by its composition and many other detailed aspects. We decided to open the chapter with the external perspective, the one on the ANT network, and then we move in depth in some use case examples, and then we close the chapter with some general remarks on the way we can face digital images from a semiotic perspective. We will try to provide an interpretative toolkit for policymakers, educators and researchers, and the idea was to understand that the question is not anymore is it true or false, but to better understand what kind of contract is working in the case of one synthetic image or another. And so trying to understand how, in which cases the contract can somehow convey positive values. Let's say that our chapter tried to provide the most, let's say, deep interpretative model. So our task was to deepen as much as possible the interpretative questions about digital synthetic images. We had the occasion of studying some examples which were quite, let's say, fun, because we dealt a lot with popular culture and with memes and artificial characters, hybrid visual digital characters, and also deepfake, properly called deepfakes. So let's say that we had a very direct experience with contemporary pop culture across various platforms.